Hi, this is Bo Walker, owner of Westridge Construction, and we're going to do a three-part blog about the three unknowns for putting budgets together on a house. With the very first one being site work, the second is the design of the house, and the third being the products that you select. Today we're going to focus strictly on site work and explaining what to look for when purchasing a lot. Most customers are thinking of just two main costs, which is the land and the house. But there's actually four, which is the land, the site work, the house itself, and the products that you put in it. So come on with me. We're going to go through, we're going to talk about site work. Most people, when they start thinking about building a custom home, is of course purchasing the land. A lot of people jump ahead and start looking at plans first, but what we always want to concentrate on is designing the house to fit the property. So when you start looking at purchasing land, I think it's a great idea to get with the builder and talk to them about the site work. The site work is going to encompass everything that it takes to make the house work on that piece of property. With most customers coming from the inner city and that are buying lots with utilities on it and are purchasing the house all as one, don't realize the site work when they purchase a lot out in the country and do the build on your lot. Here, just outside of New Braunfels, we have a beautiful lot that has a view. Most of the time, if you have a view, it's very rare that you're on the top of a hill with a flat surface. When a customer contacts me and I go out to look at a lot to help them decide on which one to purchase, because quite a few times they may have two different lots, one being 70,000, one being 60,000. They're automatically looking at the 60,000 because it's a cheaper lot, but that may not be the case in the overall once we put the site work in there. Very first part of the site work is tree and brush removal. We're going to take down all the trees in the building envelope and the underbrush, and then also we have to dispose of those trees. Are we hauling them off? Can we burn it? On this situation, we had some rain lately, so the county allowed us to burn. The second phase of site work is installing the construction road. This is something we want to do in the very beginning. We want it to rain on it. We want the contractors to drive over it. We want to compact it the whole time to minimize any settling later on once we install the driveway. The third major cost is utilities. Getting the electric to the house, getting the water to the house, the length of the run, the rock sawing, the provider, all these things we have to evaluate when coming up with cost on your home. As you can see, they're setting the batter boards right now, which are the corners and the height of the overall foundation. We decided to cut and remove some of this soil in here because we felt like it would, two things. One, lower the overall height of the foundation in the back, and two, lower the overall cost of the foundation. Inside the envelope of the house, there are insets where the front porch would stick out, the garage would stick out, and there would be an inset. So what we're going to do is install a drain underneath the house that goes all the way through that the gutters can tie into, and also if there's any abundance of water coming off the roof, that one or two times a year when we have an incredible amount of rain, we can get that water from the inset of that house all the way through. In summary, we covered four major aspects of site work today: the tree removal, the construction road, the cut and the volume of the concrete, and utilities. All four of these items have a large associated cost with the overall budget of your house. For more information on building in the hill country, you can visit our webpage at westridgeconstruction.com or follow some of our projects on our Facebook page and Instagram. This is Bo Walker, owner of Westridge Construction, and today we're going to talk about site work. Let me rethink this real quick. Hi, this is Bo Walker with Westridge Construction, and we're on our way to New Braunfels to go look at one of the sites that we're about to start. Projects. Hi, this is Bo Walker with Westridge Construction, and we're headed to New Braunfels to go look at a new site. Comal County, some of the best taxes, cheapest taxes in the state. I did my head before. Hi, this is Bo Walker with Westridge Construction, and what we're doing today is Hi, this is Bo Walker with Westridge Construction. We're going to start off doing a 3-part. Okay. Hi, this is Bo Walker with Westridge Construction, and we're covering a 3-part segment of the 3 unknowns for putting together a budget on a house. That's all right. As you will notice, undergrowth under these trees to open them up and let them grow. How about it, dog? He's oak spree, and then we moved all trees. I said moved.
You moved all the trees from one side of the line to the other.
Whatever. The first part of the site work, I held up too. First.
Okay.
Blooper is gonna be great.
It'll be.
From the front, going across the front of this house, we think, later on in the landscaping, they can incorporate.
Okay, so what do you want to talk about here?